Hey, what's up guys? It's Rachel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And so I like to find undervalued goods that I can put online and sell for a profit. And I love to share with you guys how I get my items and where they come from. And if I do mystery boxes, I unbox them here on my channel. So this one was from Boutique by the Box. I opened this one about 90 days ago here on the channel, and I can link the original video up here. And today I'm going to do a recap, and any unboxing I do, I recap after 90 days after it's been listed on all my platforms. I'll come back and give you the good, the bad, the ugly, and what sold, how much it sold for, and whether or not I think this was a good investment and if I would purchase another one. So if you like unboxing videos and you like reseller content, especially these 90-day updates, which I've really enjoyed doing, certainly subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more of these every time I do an unboxing video. I'll give you that 90-day update so you can see, based on my real numbers, if it was worth picking up. And if you're not familiar, Boutique by the Box is a liquidation company, and they hand sort their merchandise so that it's, you know, they make sure it's in resale quality. You're not worried about like fallout as far as like damaged items or like sensors on them. So their cost of goods is a little bit higher, but typically the items are nicer that you get. So this box I did not actually purchase from their website though. They were selling this box on their Instagram stories. So I decided to go ahead and pick it up. I know that denim jackets are really in right now, and so I wanted to give it a try. Plus, I knew that this was a one-off box they were selling. It wasn't something that they had a quantity of on their website, so I figured the market would not be super saturated with these because I was the only one getting a box of them. So I paid $272 based on what I have here in my notes for a total of 20 items, most of which were denim jackets. But if you watch the original unboxing, they did include in there for me some other new with tag items. Most everything was in sample condition, meaning it was new with tag, but it didn't have a size, and a couple of them had a little spots on them, like just from being in the retail environment. So what I'll do is I'll go through and I'll show you guys what has sold and also what I have left. This box proved to be pretty disappointing pretty quickly. There was not a lot of excitement or engagement on any of my posts, not a lot of likes, not any offers. And I realized very quickly that the resale value of these items did not anywhere match the retail prices on the tags. I relisted and delisted these a bunch of times. I messed with pricing. I sent offers whenever I could. So I've only actually sold a few things out of this box. I sold one of these Hudson Jackets, which majority of the box was all of this same jacket in the same size, which was a small. I sold one of them for $9 on Poshmark, one of them for $15 on Poshmark. Now, mind you, my cost of goods on this box was $13.60 per item. So those were both at a loss. I did sell this one men's item that I had, or this one men's jacket, the Dean white jacket from Joe's Jeans. That one sold for $24 on Poshmark. There were a couple decent sales, like actual full price sales that I didn't have to like nickel and dime for. I did sell this Hudson trucker jacket on eBay for $28.50. I originally had these priced at like $80 and they just were not selling that high. I sold another one on eBay for $32. The biggest or highest selling item on this box was this burgundy trucker jacket from Hudson. This one actually sold for $68 on Mercari. It had been listed for 2 months. I think I had it priced at like $125 and I finally sold it for $68. That was the best sale, and that was all. So the rest of it, mind you, these jackets are like bulky. They take up a lot of space, and I just got sick of looking at them, especially knowing I had so many of the same one and they just simply were sitting here. I ended up taking a bunch of this stuff to my local Uptown Cheapskate. I ended up with all total $130.45 for the items, if I average out what they gave me for the items in this box. And because I had so much stuff from this one box, I went up there with one day with only the items that came out of this box so I could get an accurate like amount. So it was $130.45. I do have a couple jackets left. This is the only thing left, which eventually I'll probably take them up to Uptown Cheapskate because they're not going anywhere. So I have 3 of these left, but otherwise that's everything. So you can imagine my profit on this box was not great. I paid $272 for the box. My goal is to double my money. I actually brought back $254.26, or recovered $254.26, meaning I am still in the hole, $17.74. So the good news is, probably if I take those last 3 jackets up to Uptown Cheapskate, they might buy them and I might break even on this box. I might. Now, mind you, and I'll show you guys here, the last time I was at Uptown Cheapskate, I found some of these jackets like in the racks, and they're here, they're just not selling. You can see like how they priced those. They're not selling. So I can't even guarantee that the Uptown Cheapskate is going to take the rest of these because they already have some of these. And quite frankly, I think the only reason they took them in the first place is because they were brand new and they were beefing up on their inventory. So would I buy these again? No. I wouldn't buy Hudson, Joe's Jeans, nothing. Paige, I had another box, which I can link up here, that I got from Jomar, of like new with tag denim. And a lot of it was Joe's Jeans and Hudson Jeans. This stuff just does not sell. It retails for a lot. It does not resell. You got to have like a special style or something that's super sought after that is just not this. So no, I would not recommend this box. I would not recommend Joe's Jeans or Hudson Jeans at all. Boutique by the Box, I've gotten some really good stuff from them. I just have to be a little more selective of what I buy from their Instagram stories. So there you have it. I'm interested to see what you think. Did I sell this stuff off too fast? I might have. Let me know what you think in the comments. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to see more unboxings. 2022, I am determined, because I'm limited in space, to be a little more strategic of what I pick up so I don't end up in a situation like this again. So do subscribe if you're interested in seeing more reseller content. Otherwise, that's it for today, guys. I will catch you in the next one.